back to my channel. I'm Bilkish and I wish you a great day ahead. To give you a heads up, I am a newbie here on the platform. I really need your support, so do like, share, subscribe to my channel and love me a lot. So my day started pretty good. बहुत जल्दी उठी हूँ, on time, my routine is on track, and as soon as I wake up I finish my chores. And आजकल तो कपड़ा ऐसे ही सुखाना पड़ता है because I cannot go upstairs and let it dry because sun ही नहीं है. तो this is how we dry our clothes here. So after that मैं नहा के ये अगरबत्ती जलाई. मोस्टली आई यूज़ सम काइंड ऑफ होम स्प्रेज, तो फिर मॉर्निंग थोड़ा फ्रेश लगता है बिफोर आई स्टेप आउट और बिफोर आई स्टार्ट वर्किंग. आई नीड टू हैव माई ब्रेकफास्ट. माई हाउस मस्ट स्मेल गुड, यू नो, इट हैज़ टू बी क्लीन, तब जाके मैं बैठ के काम कर पाती हूँ. सो आफ्टर दैट आई फेड मिली एंड इट्स हर ट्रीट टाइम एंड दैट्स मी. आई एम ऑलरेडी रियली हंग्री, सो लेट्स मेक ब्रेकफास्ट नाउ. So we are going to make some cream cheese banana toast, the usual. मैं अब तो योगर्ट बोल खा के थक गई. So it's cream cheese banana toast. I'm ready. Here has been tied and now let's make breakfast. So I usually get this country sourdough from Zepto or Blinkit. You will get it for sure. And I love this bread. थोड़ा सा hard हो गया है because 2 दिन से ये फ्रिज में ही था and that is why. So I'm really struggling hard to cut this through. कट ही नहीं रहा है यार ये तो. उसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू टोस्ट इट ऑन द पैन विदाउट एनी बटर. थोड़ा सा सेकना है इसको अच्छे से एंड देन we'll put some cream cheese and banana on it with some honey and I'm sure it will taste amazing. You guys really have to try this. It's a very very simple, healthy, nutritious breakfast, and once you will see my plate you will understand how balanced the plate is, which means after having your breakfast in the morning, this happens for me. After I have my breakfast I'm full for a very long time, and which is why मेरा lunch ज़्यादा heavy नहीं होता है, काफ़ी पोर्शन में होता है. एंड सो नो गेनिंग वेट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, यू नो, बिकॉज मैं तो जिम भी नहीं जा रही हूँ अब तो अगर कुछ कर सकते हैं तो वॉक करके, थोड़ा सा होम वर्कआउट करके, खाना का ध्यान रख के, सब कुछ बैलेंस में खाना है. इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम नॉट हैविंग अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ मील. या आई एम हैविंग नूडल्स, जो मेरा सबसे फेवरेट है. आई कैन नॉट डिच इट. तो वो भी मैं बहुत ही पोर्शन में खाती हूँ, विच इज़ वाई मेरे हेल्थ में ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, ना ही मेरा वेट में. So it's a pretty good balance, you know. So never skip your breakfast. Have your breakfast. Make sure to keep it, you know, a balanced one. So that will help you for a longer run. So anyway, cream cheese डालने के बाद मैंने बनाना लगा दिया and थोड़ा सा honey spread कर दिया. And here's my tea. I usually, this is just a lemon green tea, something like that, from Eco Valley. Amazing. I'm cutting myself some kiwi. ये भी पढ़ के ऐसे सड़ने वाला था, so it's better to finish it up. So I have my toast ready. Now I'm going to, you know, balance it up with some protein. और ये खुलते वक्त इसका वो जो पुल होता है ना, वो पुल करने का वो ही टूट गया मेरा. So I'm going to, you know, put 4 hip spoon of this rajma or kidney bean, whatever you call it, you know. उसको अच्छे से धो के मैं नमक एंड माई यूजुअल फुरिका की सीजनिंग दैट आई पुट ऑन माई एग्स. आई लाइक टू पुट इट ऑन एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रोटीन दैट आई हैव. एंड देन आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू हैव दिस मूंग स्प्राउट्स along with it. Good source of protein because I do not have eggs now. मैं actually Zepto Blinkit से eggs नहीं मंगवाती. I do not trust them in terms of all of this. I only get my dry ingredients from there, Zepto and Blinkit. So eggs नहीं है, इसलिए I'm balancing out with my beans, some rajma and some moong. And yeah, plate is almost ready and this is what it looks like. It's amazing. See how colorful and balanced the plate is. We have fiber, we have carbs, we have protein. All your macros have been taken care of. So this is how you balance your plate and it's amazing to eat. It's tasty, keeps you full for a longer time. So girls, never skip your breakfast just to lose some weight. It's a wrong idea. So yeah, so while I'm eating I'm also looking into the mails and taking care of work, and breakfast was amazing. So after this breakfast I'll probably get back to work and we'll see what we do next. So I'm already tired. It's already 12:30ish, something like that. And I'm going to make myself some good hot milk coffee. Although I'm not supposed to have milk because of my condition, so lactose free milk whenever I crave for it, and that is only for this coffee. So currently I'm really obsessed with milk coffee cappuccino like that I really make with this coffee from Country Bean. It tastes amazing because of its vanilla flavor, but it works for me only if it's a hot milk coffee or cappuccino. But when I have it as a black coffee, oh my god, it's so unbearable. It's so bitter. I just cannot gulp it down at all. So for black coffee, I like my Nescafe, and for this milk coffee or cappuccino as you call it, I like my vanilla flavored coffee from Country Bean. Now let me tell you how to make this cappuccino. It's pretty easy to make. All you need is one and a half a teaspoon of coffee, little bit of hot water, froth it up with your frother, and then add your warm milk. इसके बाद if you really want you can add some ice also, but then I prefer it hot. At the moment my mood shifts like this, and to top it off you can add cocoa powder. I like sprinkling some cinnamon because it's the vibe right now, so that's it. So now it's time to meal prep for my lunch for the next 2-3 days. It's a good soup recipe. Whoever likes soup, you can really make this and keep it in your refrigerator for 2-3 days and have it for your dinner. It's that easy. And this is the tom yum paste for the soup that I'm gonna make. But if you want to make tom yum from like scratch, you can find recipe for that on YouTube, but I do not want to go to that hassle anymore. तो मैं ऐसे सॉस लेके ही बना रही हूँ, पेस्ट लेके, which is this ingredients are pretty clean, so it's fine. So I'm going to use veggies that I already have. So that's beans, फिर zucchini था, and then I'm also going to add some carrot and stuff. So yeah, whatever vegetables you have in your fridge you can add those. It's that versatile. So yeah, और मेरे को वैसे भी ये सारी सब्ज़ी खाली कर ख़त्म करना है बिकॉज बहुत दिनों से पड़ा हुआ था फ्रिज में, एंड इट्स नॉट रियली गुड टू कीप vegetables for so long in the fridge, so it's better to use it. And there's nothing better than a soup to use your vegetables. So yeah, I have beans, zucchini, mushroom, some carrot. वैसे मेरे को स्वीट कॉर्न तो देना था, बट देन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ऐड इट बिकॉज वो ख़राब हो गया फ्रिज में रहते रहते. सो आई हैव टू थ्रो इट आउट. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू ऐड स्प्रिंग अनियन. और आज का रेसिपी वैसे टॉम यम सूप है एंड टॉम यम फ्राइड राइस. फ्राइड राइस आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टोर, आई एम गोइंग टू हैव इट इंस्टेंटली. बट सूप इट्स अ बैच दैट आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2-3 days, तो वो रहेगा. So yeah, I have kept the mushroom separately in a bowl there, and this is for the soup. So थोड़ा कटिंग वटिंग करना है, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है to be honest being in the kitchen. It's like a therapy to me, if I can explain it to you, and I do not like any help in the kitchen. I prefer to stay alone in the kitchen and do my thing. मुझे जैसे पसंद है वैसे करना पसंद है. So I do not need any help in the kitchen. Plus my recipes are really very easy. It hardly takes 15 to 20 minutes. But for the soup you need some time because you have to कैसे बोलो उसको, broth में पूरा vegetables को पकाना है till you get all the flavors in the broth. So for soup you need some time. But anyway, let's get back to the recipe. To a pan, add some oil, add in your ginger slices and crushed garlic. Now it's time to add the chicken broth. If you have vegetable broth you can add that too. So this is the one that I always save for myself from Millie's food, क्योंकि मिली का जो खाना बॉयल होता है वो प्योरली चिकन ब्रॉथ, चिकन एंड वेजिटेबल ब्रॉथ होता है. शी कैन नॉट फिनिश दिस होल पॉट, राइट? सो आई कीप इट सेपरेटली फॉर माई सेल्फ. एंड देन एट दिस लाइम लीव्स जो मैं बैल्कनी से लेके आए थे, इट्स अ गुड थिंग. एंड दिस ग्रीन अनियन का ये स्टेम नीचे का वाइट स्टेम. and it's time to add this tom yum ka paste. That's it, your broth will be ready really in no time. And yeah, सो अभी के लिए जितना आपको देना है लाइक 1 फुल हीप स्पून यू कैन ऐड, फिर उसको अच्छे से स्टेयर करना है एंड उसको आराम से बॉयल में रख देना है. नाउ लेट इट सिंपली बॉयल फॉर से 30 to 45 मिनट्स. ठीक है, जब तक पूरा फ्लेवर इन्फ्यूज़ होता है. And then you can check it for yourself if you need to add some more paste, if there's enough flavor in it of tom yum paste, or if you need to add any kind of salt or whatever adjustment you want to do, you can do at this time. I needed to add some tom yum paste because मेरे क्वांटिटी के हिसाब से उसका फ्लेवर एकदम भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था. So I've added another teaspoon of this paste and it's down for another simmer. उसके बाद फिर से थोड़ा सा चेक करना है and then it's time to sieve the soup. So after 45 minutes आपने जो broth बनाया इसको पूरा अच्छे से sieve कर लो. We do not need the scallions or the ginger garlic stuff. You need to sieve it properly and आपका soup का base completely ready हो गया है. Now all you need to do is add in your protein in the same pan without adding any oil because ये chicken का खुद का oil water से ही वो अपने आप cook हो जाएगा. So add chicken, add a bit of salt, saute it really well. Already इसमें थोड़ा सा tom yum का spice रह गया है तो इसमें पक जाएगा और उसका flavor भी infuse हो जाएगा. And I've also added prawns. So if you are a vegetarian, you can add your tofu. I would suggest not to add paneer क्योंकि उसका flavor थोड़ा अजीब हो जाता है. I've tried it. So you can add tofu, tempeh, whatever you like. And just do it in the process that I have explained, like just saute it in the pan without adding any oil. थोड़ा saute करने के बाद when the protein is like almost half cooked, now it's time to add in your veggies and saute it really well. And then cover and cook till you think it's done. Okay, all in the medium heat, ज़्यादा high heat में नहीं रखना है. And when you think it's done, it's time to pour the soup base that we have just prepared. And we will simmer it for another 15 minutes and your soup will be ready. So in total the time that is required to make this soup is 60 minutes, which is an hour, because slow cooking infuses a lot of flavor in it. And आप जितना जल्दी बनाओगे, it's up to you. If you can also pressure cook it. Okay, I like slow cooking in slow low flame, तो मेरे को लगता है फ्लेवर उसमें ज़्यादा इन्फ्यूज़ होता है. सो एनीवे, while that is in the simmer for another 15 minutes, I'm going to prep my veggies and spinach and all of it for the fried rice that I'm going to make with the same tom yum paste. So mushroom has been sliced previously. I have scallions and I have chopped some spinach, and I'm also going to add some egg and clean this basin. Done. So almost after 15 minutes the soup's done and we are ready to shift it to a bowl. And I'm going to quickly give it a taste test. And yeah, that's how the soup looks like. Yummy. You have to try this. It's that good. It's that good. Now it's time to make fried rice. So in the same pan I have added a little bit of oil. I have added the mushroom. फिर उसको थोड़ा सा सॉटे करके ढक के पकाने के बाद I'm also going to break an egg and quickly I'm going to stir it up and make bhurji out of it. And उसके बाद I'm also going to add a spinach that we have just chopped. And that's it. I think good amount of protein in fried rice. I really prioritize my protein in every meal. If you have like a certain goal, then you can adjust your macros however you like. So after that I have added 1 tablespoon of tom yum paste. Just to let you know, this paste is not at all strong. Like even after adding 1 teaspoon, the fried rice was very light flavored. मतलब एकदम भी strong नहीं है. So you can adjust the flavor according to you. Add in a little bit of salt. मेरे को थोड़ा light flavored ही अच्छा लगता है fried rice में. I like it light and easy on the stomach and all of it. Although the paste is perfectly good for you. So my lunch is ready. That's my fried rice. Looks so good, and my bowl of soup. I have been craving for this soup for so long. It's that good. Lunch has been served. I'm gonna have it. Yeah, the lights are on because it's raining again. Oh my god, I don't know for how long it's gonna rain. It's September already, and I'm desperately waiting for winter to be on. And do not forget to give me a follow on Instagram, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment down below how you like the video and the recipe. And also let me know if you ever try the recipe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you guys.